Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this one we'll be showcasing our Volkswagen Polo. It's a 1.2 TSI BlueMotion Tech SE Euro 6 start-stop. So ULEZ compliant, petrol, 41,000 miles, one owner from new. 41,000 miles, one owner from new, priced at £8,795. So 1.2 TSI turbo injection petrol, registered on the in 2014, MOT'd until the 21st of the 10th 2024. Metallic blue, full VW service history with 8 services in total and the cam belt replaced at 31,000 miles by VW. Car's got 2 keys with it. So 41,000 miles, good for a 14 plate, low mileage, 8 VW services, really good service history. So nice miles, great service history. DAB radio, Bluetooth, got the check cloth trim, fitted mats. Lovely clean car, inside and out. Don't know what's happened to the gimbal this morning, but it's sticking. Nice and clean in the boot. Underneath there will be a space saver spare wheel, a jack and a wheel brace. So one owner, 41,000 miles, 8 VW services, 107 grams per kilogram of CO2 emissions. So cheap tax, lovely alloy wheels. Pretty car in lovely condition. Comes with 2 keys. Electric windows, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. 41,360 miles, or 360 miles. Bluetooth, DAB radio, air conditioning. Plenty of connectivity down there, auxiliaries and USBs. £8,795. What a lovely car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels. We're on Facebook and Instagram. This video will be hosted along with 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years on our YouTube channel. We're Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will be the first to get a little notification. Each time we upload a fresh car into stock, you will be the first person to know that we have had some fresh stock in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.